बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बिश्रह सदरी वयस्सिर अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. Students, today's topic is factorization. Factorization is a process by which a whole number that is not a prime number is broken down into its factors. Factorization process है एक composite number को उसके factors में break down करने का. Okay, for example 15 is a composite number. मैंने इसके factors बनाए 3 into 5 is equals to 15. So I have broken down this 15 into its factors. So this is called factorization. Again, here I am having a number 14. I have broken down this 14 into its factors. 2 7s are 14. So breaking down any composite number into its factors is called factorization. Now students, the topic is prime and composite factorization. Suppose there is a number 15. What are the factors of 15? Factors of 15 are 1, 3 and 5. If you observe, 1, 3 and 5 are prime numbers. What are prime numbers which have only two factors? 1, 3 and 5 has only two factors. So these are prime factors. So these are called the prime factors of 15. Now let's have a number that is 60. What are the factors of 60? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15 and 20. Out of these numbers, 1, 2, 3 and 5 are prime factors because these are prime numbers. And 4, 6, 10, 12, 15 and 20 are composite factors because all of these numbers are composite numbers, and you know very well composite numbers have more than two factors. Prime numbers have only two factors and composite numbers have more than two factors. Now students, what is prime factorization? Let's suppose I have a number 15 and I have broken down it into 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. What is factorization? I told you before that breaking down a number into its factor is called factorization. So here I have broken down 15 into its factor. Let's observe what are these numbers. These numbers are prime numbers. So this is called prime factorization. When we break down a number into the product of all prime numbers, then the factorization is called prime factorization. Here I am having 60. I broke down this 60 into 4 into 15. 4 15s are 60. So neither 4 is a prime number nor 15 is a prime number. Both of these are composite numbers. So this is called composite factorization. We can further break down these numbers like 2 into 2 and 3 into 5. Now observe these numbers. All of these numbers are prime numbers. So now 60 has broken down into its prime factors. This is called prime factorization of 60 and this is called composite factorization of 60. Now students, the question is find out the prime factors of 136. Students, you must know the divisibility test first of all, and then you must know the actual process is division. What we are doing actually, we are actually performing division. Now first step, to find out the factors, we will start from the smallest prime number, and everybody knows that smallest prime number is 2. So we will start from 2. Divide this 136 by 2. 2 6 are 12. 1 remaining. 1 आपने 6 को दे दिया. Now 2 8s are 16. Then 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. Then 2 1s are 2. 1 remaining. It is 14. 2 7s are 14. This is now prime number. 17 ones are 17. So look at all these numbers. 2, 2, 2 and 17. All of these numbers are prime numbers. So I have broken down this 136 into its prime factors. 2, 2, 2 and 17 are prime numbers. So 136 has broken down into its prime factors, and this is called prime factorization. Subscribe, like and share.